Alright, just doing a quick tour of our Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. This place is nice. So this is a little vanity with a chair. Pretty nice little setup here. A lot of closet space too. Really nice. I haven't checked out the bathroom yet. Pretty nice. Hey honey, just doing a tour for our channel here. But this is probably the nicest room I think we've had in a long time.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
All right, now here's another neat little feature too. So these lights get powered down pretty easy. Now here's a neat view of the strip out here. Not sure if you can really see too much with this GoPro or not, but yeah, nice little view of the strip. So we're going to go get something to eat and see how this place works.